Linking your Aadhaar to your PAN card is a straightforward process you can complete right from your mobile phone in just a couple of minutes. But right now, there is a significant amount of misinformation circulating about how this actually works. Many people head straight to local cyber cafes, assuming they need professional help. The problem is, a massive number of these individuals already have their cards perfectly linked. Unscrupulous operators simply don't check the status. They take the 1,000 rupee fee anyway, leaving you out of pocket for a service you never needed. On the other side of the spectrum, there are plenty of videos claiming you can bypass the 1,000 rupee government penalty entirely and link your cards for free. That is simply not true. We are going to bypass the noise. I will show you exactly how to check your linking status yourself, completely free of charge. Then, if you actually do owe the penalty, I'll walk you through the precise official way to pay it. Those 2 minutes spent on an independent status check provide a definitive answer, ensuring you don't hand over cash for a problem that has already been resolved. Step 1 is determining where you currently stand. Open Chrome on your phone and search for Income Tax. Make sure you click on the official Income Tax Department website, as this is the only legitimate government gateway for this process. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down and tap Link Aadhaar. You need to have your actual PAN card and Aadhaar card right in front of you for this. Type both of those numbers into the portal. Pay close attention to the screen after validating. If a green message states your PAN is linked, your process is complete. However, if it reads Payment Details Not Found, your cards are not connected, and you must proceed to the penalty phase. Generating the specific Not Found error message yourself provides the confirmation required to move forward with the government-mandated fee. To begin submitting your fee, click the button labeled Continue to Pay through ePay Tax. The portal will ask you to enter your PAN number, and then carefully type it a second time. This mandatory double entry ensures there are no typographical errors before you initiate a transaction. Next, type in your registered mobile number. Within a few moments, you will receive a one-time password via SMS. Enter that OTP into the validation box and click Continue. This double entry and OTP sequence acts as a digital handshake. It authenticates your identity directly with the government before they open their financial gateway to accept your payment. On the next screen, locate the specific section titled Income Tax and click the Proceed button directly beneath it. Pay attention to this first drop-down menu. Select the active assessment year, 23-24. Under Payment Type, select Other Receipts, 500. A new menu appears. Choose Fee for Delay in Linking PAN with Aadhaar. Click Continue until you reach the actual payment gateway. Choose your preferred method, review the terms and conditions, and finalize the 1,000 rupee payment. As soon as the transaction is successful, the system generates a challan receipt. Immediately hit the download icon and save this document to your device. Holding this downloaded challan proves the government has received your funds, but the actual mechanical linking of your two cards is still incomplete. Stop here. Do not try to complete the final step immediately. Government servers require exactly 24 hours to process and reflect your challan payment internally. Wait until the next day, then return to the income tax portal. Click Link Aadhaar again and re-enter your PAN and Aadhaar numbers. The system will now recognize your cleared payment and let you proceed. Look at your physical Aadhaar card. Type your name into the text box exactly as it is spelled there, and enter your mobile number. Tick the consent boxes on the screen, click the final Link Aadhaar button, and submit the last OTP sent to your phone. A final pop-up will appear confirming that your request has been forwarded to UIDAI for validation. That specific UIDAI validation request is the true mechanical step that permanently locks your two separate database records together. Your duty is complete. In a few days, you can repeat the free status check from step 1 to verify the final green confirmation screen. Successfully navigating these official portals yourself demonstrates just how easily you can access essential digital government services on your own. वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। अगर आप फ्री NSTL आईडी लेना चाहते हैं तो नीचे URL दिया हुआ है और वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी लिंक मौजूद है। उस लिंक पर क्लिक करके आप बहुत आसानी से बिल्कुल फ्री में NSTL की आईडी के लिए आवेदन कर सकते हैं। NSDL आईडी के माध्यम से आप कई जरूरी सेवाएं शुरू कर सकते हैं, जैसे पैन कार्ड सर्विस, अपडेट सर्विस और अन्य महत्वपूर्ण सुविधा। ये सभी सेवाएं सरल तरीके से चलती हैं और आप अपनी दुकान या सेंटर से इन्हें आसानी से शुरू कर सकते हैं। तो नीचे दिए गए URL पर क्लिक करें, वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी लिंक मिल जाएगा और अभी तुरंत फ्री NSDL आईडी के लिए आवेदन करें। By securing a professional ID, you can use these same official protocols to provide essential services to your community while generating a steady income.